Hello everyone, I'm Sakshi Jain and I'm from Agra. And today in this video, we will learn how to change our polling booths practically. So for this, I'm sharing screen here. And okay, so you have to type changebooth.ici.org and you have to click on the link. A page like this will be shown to you. And it is asking me for my 6 digits membership number. It's 438450. Then the next step is my DOB. My DOB is 22nd of July, 1992. It's okay. So here's my DOB and it's asking me for the CAPTCHA 66972172. Now, once I submit the page, it will send an OTP to my mobile number as well as to my registered email ID. Submit. So my mobile OTP is 328629. 328629. And my email OTP is 252987. And I will submit the page. So as you can see, it is showing all my details that I'm from the central region. And this is my registered professional address that is registered in voters list of ICI. And according to my registered professional address, I've been allotted this polling booth, Income Tax Office, Aikar Bhavan, that is in Agra. So let's suppose I want to change my polling booth outside my regional constituency. Like here you can see my regional constituency is central. I want to change it to north. So I'll click here. It will ask me, please select other regional constituency. So I am selecting north. You can see CIRC is not here. You cannot see central here because my address is already registered in central and I have chosen to change my regional constituency. So the option is not available. So north. And please select state, say Jammu and Kashmir, and please select city, let's say Jammu. So now it's asking me, I'm applying for this option due to change in my professional address or expected to be away from the professional address on the day of polling. So members are getting confused. If they'll click on this option, their current professional address will change. No, this is not so. This is only for the information. Why are you changing your polling booth? It will not going to change your professional address at all because it's quite obvious. If you need to change your address, you need to submit some information, and here we are not submitting any information. So this is for those members whose professional address has been changed after the voters list has been published. So those who have changed their professional address after the voters list have been published, they have to click here at this option. But this is not for me. So I'm clicking here that I'm expected to be away from professional address on the day of polling. So one point to be noted here is, like unlike CA exams, the number of attempts are restricted here. You will only get one chance to change your polling booth. You will not get a chance again and again. You cannot keep on changing your polling booth, right? So please make sure before you submit the page, you have chosen the correct state, correct city, and you will be available there at the time of polling. Otherwise, your vote will be wasted. I can't submit it, so I'm pressing the back. And let's do it within regional constituency, change of polling booth within regional constituency. Let's see. Okay. Now you can see I'm changing my address within my regional constituency. So the field of the regions is not available here. You only can select state within your region. That is, let's say I'm selecting Madhya Pradesh and my city will be, I'll be available in Bhopal. Okay, so once I submit this, it will change my polling booth from Agra to Bhopal. I cannot do this, so I'm pressing back. So this is a very easy process. You can change your polling booth so easily, but please keep this in mind that you will only get one chance to change your polling booth. So do it wisely, and please make sure you will be available in that city at the day of polling. So this is all you have to do to change your polling booth. I hope I'm clear in my presentation, and for more updates on IC elections, stay tuned and do not forget to subscribe my channel IC Elections with CS Sakshi. Thank you.